Right off the lot, the GM 2500 HD has an impressive stance and a killer look, inspiring rough country to build a kit that would add crucial enhancements while taking nothing away from this sharp-looking truck. The 7.5-inch suspension lift for GM 2500 HD features a torsion drop design for better ride quality and handling while maintaining proper angles in a factory fashion. This kit also features heavy-duty components worthy of the HD badge, with 1/4-inch thick steel crossmembers, 1/4-inch thick torsion bar drop brackets, and a durable thick skid plate, all laser cut and powder coated in our hammer black color to match factory components. Installation requires no drilling or modifying of the differential, meaning no invasive mods to your new toy. Our innovative HD lift doesn't just look like it came off the showroom floor, it drives like it too. This kit doesn't widen the stock track width, and the torsion drop bracket design keeps everything at optimal angles, leaving that factory feel to handling corners and turns. Get the look you want without sacrificing ride quality. The 7.5-inch suspension lift for GM 2500 HD. Get yours today.